going to show you how to fix your laptop from being on temporary profile to your normal C drive profile, your normal profile that you use every day for your laptop. Now this problem occurs quite often in laptops and it's a bit annoying. As you know, when you have this problem, when you start up your laptop, it'll bring you to the sign-in screen, and then when you sign in, it'll, before you sign in, it'll say signing out, and then once you sign in, you'll be on a whole new desktop, and your icons won't be there, all of them. It'll just be the main apps of your device. So yeah, I'm going to tell you how to fix that today. So let's get straight into it. So you want to go ahead and you want to press the Windows icon at the bottom and the letter R. You want to press that at the same time and you'll get this little run window at the bottom left corner. Then you want to click on the search thing and you want to type in regedit, regedit, and you want to click the button OK. And then what this is going to do, and then if it asks you to do user account control, you're going to click yes. And what this will do is it'll pop up your whole registry editor, which is like the behind the scenes of your laptop. And then from here, you'll click on H key local machine. You'll click the drop down, the arrow, and you'll click software, and you'll scroll down. You see Microsoft. So you'll click that. Once you click down on software, you'll click on Microsoft. Then go down, all the way down until you get to the W section. Right here. And click on Windows NT. And click on current version. And scroll down until you see profile list. Now, if it's short for you, you just want to expand this. Yeah. So, for me, I don't have this problem right now, but if I were, there would be an extra file, the same file, but at the end of these numbers here, it would say dot and BAK, which means it's a backup of a different profile. As you can see, if I click on this one, it's my user and it's my profile. So how do you fix that? Is I'll give you an example right now. Alright, so this is the example. So in your regedit, you'll have these three files right here. You'll have one that's your actual path for your actual profile on your laptop. The second one right here is the backup file. So this is the one you would be currently on if you have this problem. And the bottom one is just another path that we don't need to worry about. So you'll click on the middle one, and what you want to do is if you come back here, you can see that if you click, say this is the backup one, you'll right click it and you'll click rename, and if there's a .bak like that at the end, you're gonna go ahead and remove that .bak. Then you'll click enter, and as you can see, it just reloaded like that. Once you do that, then as you can see, if I remove that, then you're gonna take that same file and you're gonna right click it and delete it. So for me, I'll just go like this. And on the registry editor, I accidentally closed it. Okay. So on the registry editor, you'll also delete that file. You'll right click it and it'll say a button say delete. And then the top file that we originally think is your path. So then you'll go ahead and you have nothing to do now. You go ahead, close the registry editor and restart your whole computer, which I think you'll know to restart computer. It's just this button here. And you'll restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. If it's not, leave a comment down below and I'll figure out that. Or I'll leave another video into that. But yeah, that's a small problem, how to fix your your profile from not loading, and I'll put on temporary problem. Alright guys, that was the end of this video. Hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.